Hello friends, schoolsteps.in welcomes you again. We'll continue to discuss about stacking notifications and summary notifications in this tutorial, and we will try our best to wrap up the notifications in this tutorial. So particularly we'll discuss about three things. Point number one is about how summary notifications affect the notifications on the wearable devices without being displayed on them. This is possible by using the class notification_compat.variableExtender and call to the methods like set background or add action. The second point is about set content title and set content text versus set big content title and set summary text. So we have already discussed this thing in the previous tutorial, but I will show you the running example of this thing in this tutorial. The last thing is about displaying the summary notifications on the wearable devices. We have already discussed that this is not a best practice, but we'll see how to achieve it. Let's open the previous project and let's open the notify me method. Just to be more specific, I have opened up the main activity of the mobile project. So right here, just above the summary notification, we need to say notification compat dot variable extender is equal to new notification compat dot variable extender. Next we need to copy the mail background. I'll share this image with you and we need to paste it in the drawable folder. Let's paste it here. Let's choose HDPI. In the same way, let's paste it for the other folders as well, like MDPI, XHDPI, etc. Now go up and copy the bitmap code, which is right here, and paste it just above the variable extender. Let's call it background. And right here, rather than saying large icon, let's say mail_background. Save it. Right here, we need to say variable extender dot set background and we need to pass background here. Last but not the least, right here inside the summary notification, let's say dot extend and we need to pass the object of the variable extender. Save it. That is it. Let's run our program and let's see the output. So what I'm going to do is, as this is a mobile application, I'm going to run this application on my cell phone and I'm going to sync the notifications of my cell phone with the Android Wear emulator. Let's do it. There is one error in the program. The image name cannot contain the special characters like hyphen. Let me quickly rename it. And let's quickly make the change here as well. Save it and let's run the program on the cell phone. Go to run, click on run mobile, choose your cell phone. Mine is right here. Click OK and it will install the application on your cell phone. The next thing which you need to do is to run the Android Wear emulator and sync the notifications on your cell phone device with the Android Wear emulator. The application is installed on my cell phone. Let me run it. I have clicked on the notify me button and the synced notification has appeared on the Android Wear emulator. And if I drag it slide to the right, you will see that in the background the image has been changed. So the summary notification can affect the notification on the wearable devices using the class variable extender and the methods like set background. Now let's do one more thing. Right here, let's put some dots in the content title and let's do the same with the content text. So now the text of content title and content text, it is different from the big content title and summary text. Now let's run the program on the cell phone and let's see the output. Here is the output on the cell phone device. Let me click the notify me button. The moment I click it, you will see a notification. And if you see the notification, there are no dots. Now let me lock this phone. So I have locked my phone and now let me show you the screen. So this is the message on the locked screen. Now you can see the dots after the emails and after the in. Now let's jump quickly to the point number 3, that is to run the summary notifications on the wearable devices. To achieve that, let's make this method as notify me 1 and let's copy the entire method, and right here let's paste this method and let's make it notify me. Let's delete notification 1 and notification 2. So what we are left with in this method is the notification manager, inbox style, and the summary notification along with the wearable extender. Let's do one more quick thing, is to initialize the ID here to 1 because otherwise it will keep showing the ID as 0. So let me quickly run the program on my cell phone and we'll see the synced notification on the Android Wear emulator. Here is the output on the Android Wear emulator. This is the synced notification, and if I pull it up you can see the summary notification. So as I said, it is not the best practice to display the summary notification on the Android Wear emulator, and it is just for your understanding purpose. So I'm gonna comment this particular method and I'm gonna make the notify me as notify me again. So friends, with this, notifications part is over and we will work on the layouts in the next tutorial. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Please like our page on facebook.com/letsandroid. If you have any query, do write us at info@schoolsteps.in or schoolstepsin@gmail.com. Thank you.